session. I am Dr. N. Balaji, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, SRM Institute of Science and Technology. So, as a part of the competitive exams for the preparation and aptitude test, and particularly UG, BSc, all the branches of SRM, IIT, BBA, BQ, minor subject, it is given as mathematics for competitive exams. As a part of that, you can able to prepare for the all the competitive exams, GATE, SLET, NET, where and all aptitude test it is there. This particular topic it will come. So it will be easy for you to prepare for a trade and the skills based on time and distance and time and speed. In the first video, earlier my video, you can able to see simple interest and compound interest distance I told. Now I am explaining about this time and distance and time and speed. Now the aim and objective of outcomes for the time, speed, distance. So each and every day we are moving one place to another place with different vehicles, with a different scenario for the office or for the college or school, somewhere else we are going it. So we can able to calculate how much time it will be taken, with what speed we have to go, either car in our bus or bike or while walking it is. So for all the theoretical concepts, confidently you can able to calculate with using the modern science and technology in the daily life. So after finishing this class, this video lecture, you can able to calculate uh, uh, easily the distance and speed, any of the variable is given. So the applications for this it is uh, applications of this DST, distance, speed and time for the transportation. In sports also we used to calculate how much time it is taken to run or how much time completed for the goals. Astronomy, distance, how much time the racket traveled. So what speed it is there, how much distance, navigation of a GPS, bike, car or anything in the ships and all, we can able to calculate it. In all the engineering vehicle safety testing and all, evaluating fuel efficiency, how much time, how much kilometer distance taken, that and all. With using these tips and skills, we can able to calculate estimation the arrival time, estimation the efficiency, and speed, everything we can able to estimate with using after this lecture. Right. So otherwise, we used to say that a basic formula it is distance is equal to speed into time. So if you know these three variables, one, two, three, two unknown will be there, two known will be there, one unknown will be there. Whatever is unknown with using, we can able to find out unknown, two unknowns, two known it is there, one unknown it is there. We can able to calculate with using that these formulas, the basic formulas. As we know, if a person is first person is calculating 50 kilometers per hour and 60 kilometers per hour, the other person is going in the same direction. Obviously, whoever is going speed, that person will reach early, because this person is going 50 kilometers per hour, this person is going for 60 kilometers per hour. So it is easy, if speed increases, you can reach the fast. So the fundamental formula for this it is these three thing, distance into time. So the unknowns you can able to find out with using these formulas easily. So as this competitive exams contains the multiple choice questions, so A, B, C, D options are there. So based on that options, we can able to calculate. So escalator moves towards the top level at the rate of 11 feet and its length is 140. This escalator is moving 11 feet per second. It is moving 11 feet per second, and the length, that escalator length distance is, it is 140 meters, and he is also walking towards that 3 feet per second. So totally the escalator is moving, he is walking, totally he is 14 feet per second he is moving. 14 feet a second, but distance is 140 meters, distance traveled by relative speed. So this is the formula, time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 140 divided by, so he is going, the escalator is also moving, he is also moving, so 11 plates, both we are adding. If you add it in 10 seconds, you will get it. So time we calculated with using this is the first one, 10 seconds of the time you will get it. So the next problem, it is a two trains, 250 meters and 150 meters. 150 meters respectively running on a parallel lines. So first it is going on the two parallel lines. If they are running in the same direction, the faster train crosses train in the 40 seconds. So one is speed train, one is the slow train. So 40 seconds it took, 40 seconds slower train, seconds, 40 seconds is difference. Faster train crosses slower train 40 seconds. If they are moving in the opposite direction, they passes each other in 8 seconds. So in opposite directions, they crosses at 8 minutes. Now, out of these two trains, one is going speed, one is slower. So, which is a slower train, with what speed it is moving, that we have to calculate. Two situations he has been given. Two trains uh, running in the same parallel tracks. The same two trains oppositely it is running. Opposite it is running. It crossed 40 seconds. This it took 8 seconds. 8 seconds when same direction. So with this one equation you will get it. With this another equation you will get it. If you solve those two equations, you will get the speed. Then whatever is the slower one, what is the faster one, you can able to calculate. So save time taken by sum of the train's length and relative speed. So here first train, this is 40 seconds it took. The distance of two trains, one is 250 meters, one is 150, it is given. So both we are adding, and in the same direction it is going. So same direction length you can minus of SC1 minus ST2. You can take the time 1 and time 2, that difference is 40 seconds. And then this it is 250 plus 150. Both you have to add S1 plus S2, it is there. Both the distance you have to add, that seconds is 8 seconds. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. If you solve both the equations, then one is getting 40 seconds, another one is getting 8 seconds. You can able to solve between, this is x minus y is equal to 10, x minus y is equal to 10, this is x plus y is equal to 50. If you solve these two equations, you will get a y. This is nothing but y. Y is nothing but 20 meter per second. So if you want to convert into the meters per second, kilometers per second, 20 meters per second, if you convert into kilometers per second, multiply by 18 by 5. If you multiply that 72 kilometers, you will get it. That option you can select in that problem. Right. Now the next problem, it is two persons, Ram Lakshman. Ram Lakshman, it is there, who are distance of 100 kilometers, it is there from each other, move towards two places P and Q. So it is a P, it is a Ram, it is a Lakshman, it is a Q, P and Q, 100 kilometers between these two. This is 100 kilometers distance between them. So one is with 20 kilometers, Ram is going in 20 kilometers speed, and he is moving at 25 kilometers per hour he is moving. This person will go this side and come back. This person will come here and come back. So first 100 kilometers he will come here, then he will come back. At a particular place, both it will meet. Because this person is slowly going, this person is coming with speed, he will go very fast and he will come back. So for that you can able to see. So the diagram, whatever is coming, they are meeting at a point of in between some place. This is 100. This part is called the 100 minus x. This part is 100 minus x. This it is. So he is going one length and coming back. That is called the 100 plus x. We used to say one person is going 100 plus and then 100 plus x. So that is given. That's two calculations you can make it. First, Ram is 100 plus x, Lakshman is 100 plus 100 minus x. Both you are adding. So they are meeting at a particular point. That particular point means we want to calculate a distance traveled by time. The speed we have to find out. Both it is traveled same distance at a particular place. For the Ram 100 plus x, I am taking, he is going by 20 kilometers per hour. Lakshman is going by 200 minus x. This is given 100 plus 100 minus x, because 100 is one time and coming back it is 100 minus x. Both added means 200 minus x. So it is 25 kilometers per hour. So if you calculated, x is equal to 33 by 1 by 3 kilometers per hour. Right. Now another problem, without any halt of the train travels certain distance with an average speed of 75 kilometers per hour. with the halts. Two trains are in the same parallel track. One is going with 75 km speed and 60 kilometers per hour by another train. How many minutes hour does train halt and an average? One is a speed train, one is a slow train. Then speed train, it will halt and come. The slow train, that is suppose this is a speed train, this is going 75 kilometers per hour. So this is a 60 kilometers per hour it is coming. So it will halt and go, but both it will come to the destination with the halts. How many minutes train halt and totally at the same time it is reaching this and to the destination? We have to calculate how much time taken for that for halt. So it is halting and coming. One is directly coming, one is coming slowly, one is coming fastly with halting. So totally how much time you have to calculate? So one is covering 1 hour. We are thinking, assume that 1 hour it covered 60 kilometers. This also 60 kilometers per hour. It covers 60 kilometers per hour. So this is 75 kilometer speed. It is coming that it covers 75 kilometers. But he told that, but the distance is same only. It covered. So this 75 kilometers we are calculating into the time. 75 kilometers we can able to calculate 4/5 of that. So you are getting 48 minutes. So 48 minutes means totally traveled 60 minutes. So it took for the speed train to travel 48 minutes. So the remaining 12 minutes is left. That is the halting time of that train. This is the 12 minutes is the halting time. Now 60 minus 48. Right. Now two buses A and B leave for the same depot with towards to north and towards to east. So one is this direction, in the same direction bus A and bus B moves two different direction. One is going the bus A travels speed 50 kilometers, 5 kilometers more. Some distance it is going 5 plus x plus 5. It is going more than B. It is going some kilometers with x. Distance between them is 100. So this is between this and this is 100. So after 4 hours traveled, 4 hours traveled between two buses, find the speed of the bus A. So this is x you have to calculate, then 5 you have to add for that. Now, so after 4 hours, the distance is x, 4 hours, 4x it traveled. This is also the distance 5 kilometer speed it is going on. After 4 hours, 4 into 5 plus x it traveled. So 5 plus x it is the speed and traveled is 4 times 4 hours. So 4 into x plus x. It's using the Pythagoras theorem. QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. So this it will become 4 times x means 4x square. This it is. This is 100 square. This is 5 plus x. 4 into 5 plus x, because 4 hours the speed went now 4 into 5 plus x. This if you calculate 4 into 5, 20 plus 4x, 4x plus 20. If you solve this one, you will get x values, two values you will get it. X is equal to 15 and x is equal to minus 20, but a minus cannot be there. So 15 minutes it took x, but 5 kilometer speed means this side it A it will go for the 20 kilometers per hour. So that 20 kilometers you can write as for the B option. Now, now it is a person traveled from his house to office 30 kilometers per hour. Then he was late to his office by 5 minutes. So he is traveling from house to office. So he is going by 30 kilometers per hour. Then 5 minutes late. Then next day he increased 10 kilometers per hour. 30 plus 10, 40 kilometers per hour he is going. Now increased speed of, he early reached 15 minutes early reached 15 minutes. So what should be the speed so that reach the office on time? If you want to go by on time, how much speed he has to go? So distance by speed it is you can write it time taken it is equal to 5 by 60. Why they are writing 5 by 60? They are converting into 5 it is 5 minutes. This is the time t plus 5 by 60. So it is increased by distance traveled, it is 40 kilometers, then 15 minutes early. This 15 minutes. So minutes you are converting hours. So 15 by 60. This 5 minutes converting to hours, it is 60 they are writing. They traveled a t distance. So equating these two and solve, you will get d is equal to 40 kilometers. So d is equal to 40 kilometers. distance. So now, if you substitute 40 by 40, both equate and substitute, t is equal to 5 by 4. Speed is equal to distance by 40 kilometers by 5 by 4. If you take it, 32 kilometers per hour, you will get it. This is the answer for that. Similarly, the last question. Uh, any other doubts you can post in the message. Thank you very much.